Hello children, welcome to all. This is our 13th session, and in this session we are going to learn the remaining methods of math class and its uses. The remaining methods. In previous session, that is 12th session, we learned one attribute and three methods. One attribute is math.py and three methods are what is the use of sqrt, use of sale and use of floor we discussed. But in this session, the remaining methods of math class, we will discuss how to use that math class methods in our user defined applications. This is what we will learn. So a quick look, the remaining methods. The remaining methods are this. So they are rint function, rint method, round integer, pow, power purpose, and round purpose is this is also same like round integer, but only the difference is rint method it comes only with a double inputting value, whereas a round method it occurs in two formations. So one is a floated data you can input or double data also you can input, and rest of everything is the same. And random purpose is to display the value, any value in between 0 to 1. But here important point, when you compile the method with random method, a random method class, when you compile and when you execute, no two times it displays the same. Suppose first time when you execute, if you get the value is 0.3, next time if you compile and execute, you won't get exactly same value, but you will get output in between 0 and 1, 0 to 1. And ABS is absolute function. Absolute function purpose is to display the value in positive sign. Suppose if you input the value in negative value -2, then output is a 2. If you input a 2, positive 2, you'll get positive 2 only. It remains same. If it is negative, it displays in positive form. If it is a positive, it remains same. But it comes in four forms, that is integer receiving value, long receiving value, floated receiving value, double receiving value. For example, if I give double value is a 2.8 minus 2.8, if I give, then result is 2.8. If I give positive 2.8, it remains the same 2.8. Like that, the ABS function will be used. And another two more functions we need to discuss, max and min. You can see on the screen. The remaining two functions are max is one function, another one is min is another function. These functions purpose is to compare two integers. Max function, what it do means, if two integers or two long values are floated or double values, if two values are compared, in that the largest value will be displayed by max function. But min purpose is vice versa. If you input two numbers, the smallest value will be displayed by min method. So these all things we need to discuss. So the remaining methods, POW, rint, round, and rest of all methods. Yeah, open the editor, text editor, that is BlueJ. Now in this BlueJ I am creating a new class. So new class I am giving the name, any name we can give. I am giving mat2. So open that particular class. So after opening, maximize. Now in this, create a class. Class is mat2 we given. Now inside create a static function, static, and void is non-repeating value, and the main function. Now inside of this, very first we need to discuss about rint, R-I-N-T, rint. Now I'm using system.out.println math.rint, rint of I give 12.7. If I give 12.7, we already aware 12.7 according to mathematics terminology, 12.7 rounding integer. Due to it is more than 0.5 decimal value, it goes to the next integer. Next integer is 13. If I give like this, if I give math.rint, rint of I give 12.49, I give. When I give 12.49, it is less than 0.5. 0.49 is less than 0.5. Due to that, you will get before integer 12.49, before value is 12. So we will get output is 12. But some people may ask, sir, if it is exactly 12.5, then what is the output? You may ask the question, math.rint of if I give 12.5, then what is the output? What is the output? Means according to the math knowledge, if even with the 0.5, the value remains the same means 12 we will get before integer is 12. Suppose odd with the 0.5 if we get, odd with 0.5. Math dot rent of odd with 0.5. Odd number I am giving. For example, 29.5 if I give. Now 29 is odd integer. 29 here it is odd. 12 is even, so that you will get before integer. If even before integer is 12, if it is odd we will get next integer. Next integer is 30. We will get output as 30. Then when you go use the next function, what is the next function? Means POW. Math dot POW of I give like this 3 comma 2, or I am giving 5 comma 2. If I give 5 comma 2, 5, the first value represents base. The first value represents base, second value represents degree. That means 5 square. 5 square output is 25. 25. So we will get output is 25. And next is we are using, after POW we are going to use ABS function. Math dot ABS function. When I use ABS purpose is, if it is a negative value, if inputted value is a negative, it converts into positive. So we will get 2.3. Suppose I give positive value. If I give positive value, say 4.9. If I give positive value, the output remains the same. Same means as it is same, it will display 4.9. So we will get output 4.9. This is about ABS function. Then another two more functions, they are math dot max. Max is one of the function. This function purpose is to compare two numbers. Among two numbers, whichever the bigger, that will be shown on the output screen. Now I give two values, 99 and 100. In these two, which is the bigger? 100. So that we will get output is 100. Then one more method we need to discuss, that is math dot min. Min function we need to discuss. Min function, I am giving 99 comma 100. When I give 99 comma 100, in these two, whichever the smallest, that smallest number it will display. So min, it will display 99 because that is the smallest. So these are the various functions we use in math class. You may ask round. Round is the same like rent. I already told. Now click on compile. Okay, file still it is compiling. So for this, if it is the same output, if you notice, the technique is select the entire thing, cut it, then close the editor. Okay, then yeah, it has been struck. Yeah, now again open the editor. So it is opening. Now open the mat2 class. Now paste it. Now click on compile. It is showing error. S must be lowercase. Yeah, we should give S must be lowercase. Again click on compile. Yeah, there is no syntax error. Now close it. Now right click on the class and you can see exact output what we saw. So we got 13, 12, 12, 30. Again open the editor. You can see. So what I told, 13, 12, 12. Yeah, you can see here 13, 12, 12, 30. First four are correct. Next value 25, 2.3, 4.9, 25. Yeah, you can see 25, 2.3, 4.9. You can compare here. Next is 100. Next is 99 as it is was displayed. So like this we discuss all the functions. So these are the functions we need to remember, and remaining method, only one method is left, that is a round. Round purpose is the same like RINT, but only the difference of round and rint is, you can see here, round it holds two input values, float and double, but rint can hold only one value, that is double only it allows. Apart from this, everything is same. So with this we'll end up the session, and in next session we will discuss the remaining next chapter. Thank you.